Discipline saves years of regret. But nobody tells you what the regret actually feels like. It's not one big moment, it's a thousand small ones. The workout you skipped, the work you delayed, the goal you kept pushing to tomorrow until tomorrow became next month or next year. And one day you wake up realizing you are exactly where you were, just older and angrier about it. If you don't go through chosen suffering, congratulations, my brother. Unchosen suffering will go through you and you will suck at that. That's the real cost of not showing up. Slowly drifting away from the person you were supposed to become. On the other side is discipline. Doing the boring thing every single day when every part of you wants to quit. Discipline means doing the work you hate to do, but you do it like you love to do. If you want to do something, just do it. If you don't want to do something, just do it more. Give no option. One thing I do and suggest that put yourself into a situation where you have no option but to become that guy. Do the same boring thing for an extraordinary period of time without realizing you are way smarter than you are. Otherwise, unchosen suffering is for you. A wise man once said, discipline is training your mind not to give a shit if it's hard, or it hurts, or it sucks. If it needs to get done, it must be done. But hey, it's hard to do. Fuck you. But it hurts, nah. Fuck you. But at least try to understand. It sucks. Fuck you. But I'm not feeling like to do. Fuck you. I just shut up my mouth and do the fucking work. I just follow my plan, not my mood. Because I know consistency never looks impressive in the moment, but only at the end. And once you make your why hard enough, that why you are supposed to do that, what's the downside and the upside of doing this, what's the potential consequences of doing this, what's the opportunity cost of doing this, you have to meet your deadline. If you make your why hard enough, and then and only then you will figure out your how to do all the things that need to be done. One thing about discipline that gives me goosebumps is that discipline is remembering who you said you wanted to be. If you don't follow this, you are a liar, and will soon you won't have self-discipline because you are not the guy who can follow the plan and keep talking about the goals, plans, and how you want to change without actually doing anything about it. In doing so, you become the guy who practices mental masturbation. You have to condition yourself first before you get used to it, or until it becomes your default feature. Do that long enough and you will stop recognizing yourself. Literally, do that long enough and you will stop recognizing yourself. And I mean in that best way possible. You become someone your old self would have looked up to. That's what's waiting on the other side of discipline. And here my experience. I used to hate this a lot. I used to suck. But now I enjoy this a lot. I look at this as I'm building my mental legacy while I'm young. The more I know, the less I diversify. It's like I am now hungrier to learn more. I want to expose myself to many things I am unfamiliar with. It's about connecting the unconnected, because discipline is just trying to get comfortable with being uncomfortable, because that's where magic happens. That's how you play long-term game with long-term people, and that's how you get returns in your life, whether in health, wealth, relationship, or knowledge from the compound interest. It's like compounding, discipline, and consistency. They are the brothers and connected with each other. Most of the time, I take discipline by saying, you can also trick discipline. Here is my way of tricking discipline. So, what I do? I just trick discipline by saying, let's learn something new and explore what and how billionaires, icons, world-class performers, authors, writers, and great thinkers think. do, and adapt things. And that's how discipline becomes my friend, not my enemy. And that's how I take discipline. So I want you to picture this. It's like where the discipline flows, luck flows. If you play a game long enough with the discipline, it will attract luck to find you. But here's the question. The question is whether you will show up long enough to find out or not. Make discipline your default and achieve your goals instead of just thinking and talking about them. So that's it for today. It's everything I know so far about discipline. So what do you think about it? And how do you define discipline? How do you stay consistent? Just let me know. Until that's being said, Narkanti out.